Hey everybody, how is it going today? Well, in this video, I'm going to be doing a weekly update on Tesoro Enterprises, ticker symbol TSNP. The price action this week was very bullish, so I wanted to give you my thoughts on that. And also, I wanted to show you a very nice looking potential swing trade setting up for next week. Now, if you're new to my channel, I like to find short-term and long-term trading and investing opportunities in typically lower-priced stocks. I like to find undervalued stocks with high growth potential and talk about all other things finance-related as well. If that's something that interests you, please consider subscribing to my channel so you don't miss any future trading or investing ideas. But please remember, I am not a financial advisor, so please do all of your own research before investing in any of these stocks. Alright guys, I am going to get right into it. This is the current daily chart of Tesoro Enterprises, ticker symbol TSNP. And from the last video that I did a few days ago, price was holding above or below this 21 period exponential moving average, this purple line. And I said it was going to be very important for this week for the price action to get above these moving averages if we were going to start another uptrend. And that is exactly what happened. If this would not have happened, this trend would have been in danger to just go into a very slow fade down. So the fact that it broke above those moving averages is a very good sign. It's a very bullish sign that potentially we can start another uptrend. Now, what I would want to see from this point is to have price slowly fade sideways to maybe slightly down, but not going too far down, just enough to let these moving averages catch up to it and hopefully give it another slingshot move up. Let me go to the hourly chart real quick and let's take a look at the intraday price action. From my last video, I drew this descending wedge formation, and we had a nice break out of it this week, and we are holding higher. We can see that it came down and broke below this 200 period simple moving average on the hourly chart, and then it immediately reversed and got back above it, and that is a very bullish reversal sign. And as we can see, the reversal has started to take place because it broke above the 8 period exponential moving average, and it is holding above it. But like I said on the daily chart, if it can just start a slow fade or go pretty much sideways until these moving averages catch up to price, I think that will give it a very good chance of slingshotting higher. Let me get these lines off the chart for a second. But as we can see, when we had that reversal, it had a very nice looking tight triangle consolidation, and we had that breakout this week. So the chances of this heading higher increased after this breakout from this consolidation. So as far as I'm concerned, the price action this week was just about perfect. I would have liked to have seen it gone up just a little bit higher, but I think this price action was very healthy in order to have a move up in the coming weeks. Let me go back to the daily chart. If it can hold above 15 cents for next week, I think we have a very good chance of price moving higher. So I am very optimistic for Tesoro Enterprises for next week. Alright guys, before I get out of here, I do want to show you another potential swing trade I see setting up for next week. Right here I have the current daily chart of XPEV Incorporated, ticker symbol XPEV. This has been one of the hotter stocks in the market the last few months, but as we can see, it has been cooling off, but price action is starting to tighten up, and it looks like selling pressure is starting to wane. If I grab a trend line and put it on the volume, we can see volume has been trending down and the day ranges have been getting tighter, so that is telling us that the selling pressure is starting to subside. Now, I really like the $40 range on XPEV, and it looks like it's probably going to make it there next week. If we look at the $40 area, the blue line, the 50 period simple moving average, is sitting right there. So that is one really strong area of potential support. Another one is back in mid-November. That was a support area. So that is going to be another layer of support that coincides right around $40 a share. And let me get these out of the way and I'll show you the third reason why I like that area. If I draw the Fibonacci retracement levels on this move that it had from November to, well, I guess about till the end of November, we can see that the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement level is also sitting right at the 50-period simple moving average. So there are a lot of layers of support hanging right around $40 a share, and price is almost there, and it has pulled all the way back from $75 a share about all the way down to 40. So this thing is due for a bounce, and I think those are enough reasons to send price higher. If I go to let's go to the hourly chart real quick, back out just a little bit, we can see that it was also stuck in a descending wedge formation, which of course a breakout out of that means it's going to break higher. So that is a very bullish price pattern. So that is another reason to be potentially bullish on XPEV for next week. And if I am around and I see this touch $40 a share and it doesn't just, blast through it on heavy volume, I am definitely going to be looking to take a swing trade position in XPEV. I can see this easily probably bouncing up to around $60 a share. But this sector has been red hot. And when a sector is red hot, I don't like to put a ceiling on how high it could go. I mean, if this thing catches fire again, it could easily make a new high, well above $80 a share. So I don't know how long I'm going to hold it. I'll just have to wait and see how the price action looks. But I could definitely see a swing trade, probably a 3 to 5 day move, taking it well above $50 a share after it hits this support area. So I just wanted to show you this very nice looking potential swing trade that I see setting up right now in XPEV. Alright guys, well that's all I have for you for this video. If you have any questions or comments on these stocks, please leave them down there in the comments section and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Hit the like button for me if you enjoyed this content and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching the video all the way to the end, and until next time, take care everybody.